Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how I got these jumbo passion twists, please stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so for this video I will be using some spring twist hair that I purchased from Amazon, and also I'll be using some rubber bands, the crochet needle, and some clips and a scrunchie, and also the bow hold, lace gel, and some edge control. So let's get started, you guys. I'm gonna just pretty much part my hair along the back, ear to ear, and once I'm done parting my hair, you guys, I am going to split this back into two braids because this is going to be jumbo passion twist. And as you can see, I split this hair into two, and then I am doing the rubber band method. So I am going to put each section into a rubber band. And you guys, I am going to continue this method throughout my head. I'm going to part my hair, and then I'm going to part each section and put in a rubber band to section the hair off.
People OG.
Okay guys, so now that I'm done with putting the rubber bands on, all I did was put the crochet needle through the hair, and I put the hair through the crochet needle and closed the needle and pulled the hair, one side of the hair, through the rubber band. Now you guys, once I pull it through, I'm going to pretty much tighten the rubber band, because when I put the rubber band on, I didn't tighten it because I knew that I had to put the hair through it. And once I tighten it, I just put a little bit of that lace gel from Bold Hold on it, and I began to twist it. You guys, this is very simple and easy style to do. Anyone can do it. And once I pretty much twisted all the way down, I continued on this method throughout my whole head.
All my people OG.
Again, you guys, all I did was the spring twist hair. I took about 5 strings of that hair, and I took 5 strings of it, and then once I got the 5 strings, I took the needle and put it in between my hair, and then I took the hair and put it into the needle, and I close it, and I push one side of the hair through. And once I got the hair through, I just pulled all of it through to make sure that all of it was through. It was kind of difficult because there was a lot of hair going through. That's why I suggest not to put your rubber bands too tight, so you can make sure that you can get the hair through. And once I did that, I just pulled the hair tightly, split my hair into 2, put a little lace gel on it, and I began to twist the hair. And that's pretty much it, how I did my jumbo passion twist.
All my people OG.
Hey guys, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and notification bell, so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely be notified. Okay guys, so right now I'm finishing up on my last one, and as I stated, I pretty much again just put the hair into the needle and I close the needle, and once I close the needle I just pretty much pull the hair through, and once I pull the hair through I tighten the rubber band, I split the hair, and I put a little lace gel, the boho lace gel on it, and I began to twist the hair all the way to the end. Okay guys, so now that I am done twisting my hair, I am going to take a little bit of my edge control by Carol Daughter. As you know, I use this edge control a lot, and I'm going to put it all over my edges, and I'm going to do my, baby hairs to complete this look. Okay guys, so now I am going to use some of my own hair oil on my scalp, and this is my Infinity hair growth oil, and you guys can purchase this hair growth oil off my website. I will put all the information down in the description bar if you want to purchase this hair growth oil. But yeah, you guys, I'm going to pretty much just put this all over my scalp and massage it into my scalp, and that'll be pretty much it for the hair growth oil. Then after, you guys, I had bought this rainbow color string to put onto my braids to kind of spruce it up a little bit, and I'm going to put that on there. And yeah, you guys, that's going to be pretty much it for this style. Hey guys, if you like this video so far, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Okay guys, so I'm finishing up putting my lash string onto one of my passion twists, and once I finish that, you guys, I will be finished this look. All the stuff that I use into this video, I will put it down in the description bar, from the hair that I use and all of the products that I use. So definitely check the description bar for all those products, you guys. But here is the finished look. Definitely let me know y'all thoughts on this look, and make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.